Hello, my name is Iman and today I'm excited to demo our new Chrome extension, your ultimate tool to create step-by-step guides, interactive demo, or product video all in one go. First up, just install the extension from the web store and let our smart robot capture your process. Let's dive in. Head to your desired web page, select the extension, hit capture, and let the fun begin. Click on anything you want to highlight, buttons, images, text, and CTAs. And boom, you're done. Castofly instantly turns your actions into 3 files, text plus screenshots for those who love details, interactive demo for the hands-on learner, and concise video for how-to video fans. You can just go ahead and share this in any format. I love the link option because it updates automatically whenever you tweak your project. You can add the guide to your favorite tools like Word, Jira, Notion, or even tools that support Markdown like GitHub. Interactive demo can be embedded into a web page via the coder snippet. Videos can also be exported as an MP4. Now let's talk about customization. First, let's adjust the theme. I'm gonna thicken the border and switch the box color to yellow to increase the contrast. Next, let's explore interaction options. By default, Hotspot is used to navigate the viewer, but you can spice it up with descriptions, voice, or webcam. For the first slide, I just want text. For the next slide, I will add voiceover. By the way, I can leverage AI to generate audio, but today I feel recording my own voice. For the third one, I use webcam and put it at the top right. And for my CTA, I go with the webcam and make it large. Before I show you the result, let's jazz it up with some background music, just enough to keep my voice in the spotlight. We are all set, let's check it out. To create a guide, just show your process. Every click gets captured. Share your guide with a unique link or integrate it with your daily tools. Sign up for free to leverage Castofly and boost productivity for your team and clients.